Controversy continues to trail President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's attendance at the All Nigeria's 2025 Judges Conference, while the president used the occasion to warn judges against corruption. It's a viral video moment that has sparked fierce debate about judicial independence. The footage captured the Chief Justice of Nigeria alongside judges from across the country standing as the APC Song of Allegiance, "On Your Mandate, We Shall Stand," played after Tinubu delivered his speech. Let's take a look before we come back for a discussion.
May God bless the Nigerian judiciary, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless you all.
This video has since gone viral on social media, with Nigerians questioning why judges, who are meant to be the ultimate arbiters of justice without fear or favor, will be seen publicly associated with a partisan song of allegiance. Critics argue that the optics are damaging, especially at a time when election petitions and politically sensitive cases regularly come before Nigerian courts. Civil society groups say such displays, intentional or not, undermine public confidence in judicial impartiality. I'll take one tweet before we close with you guys. This person wrote, "Those who are blaming Trump for describing Nigeria as a disgraced country should watch this and tell me how they feel seeing judges eulogizing Tinubu, which means their loyalty is to Tinubu than the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They are worse than what Trump said."
Okay, I have an advice for President Tinubu. At this rate, if he likes the song so much, you know the National Assembly is already rubber stamp. He can just take it to them like he took the former National Anthem to the change, and then just change the attempt to your mandate, Bola, for the next 4 years or how many years he's going to spend there, so that we just know that he said the National Anthem already.
Right. Let me just say that,
you
know, this, that "On Your Mandate, You Shall Stand" that was played at the Judges Conference was following a very powerful speech by the president himself, who had said that we must not turn the justice system to a sanctuary of conspiracy. He spoke very loudly about the fact that the Nigerian judicial system is said to be compromised or perceived to not be independent, or that is quite corrupt. And so to see this happen just immediately after giving that powerful charge is quite an irony, and it's quite, you know, it's unfortunate at the very least. Yes, you might say that, oh, some people are not aware of it, but I believe that they should have come out very strongly against that, because that's not the national anthem of the country. The president walking out, usually you would sing the national anthem on his arrival and his exit from a formal event. So that ought to have been played, as opposed to this level of sycophancy we see. What is this? That's why we don't have truth in our system. People are not willing to tell the truth or stand up, and we make laws like this where you said that people who criticize the president will be punished, or they must wear ashrebi that is the president.
They must be punished.
Well, I want to believe that that image of judges singing "On Your Mandate We Shall Stand" is not AI generated.
No,
because if it is not AI generated, it is scandalous, it is shocking, it is embarrassing, it is unacceptable. Because judges, as we said yesterday, are expected to be above board. They are supposed by their code of conduct to be impartial. They are not expected to jump into the arena. And then the president says, oh, the judiciary should not become a sanctuary for compromise. That's the word he used. Yeah. And right before his presence, some judges stood up and they started saying, "On your mandate, we shall stand." No.